Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 25, light. In this worksheet we will discuss about the reflection of light. The world is largely known through the senses. The sense of sight is the most important sense. Sense of sight कैसा है बच्चों? It is most important. Why it is so important? Because through it we see mountains, rivers, trees, plants, chairs, people, and things all around us. At night, we see the stars and moons. But how is seeing made possible? And what makes things visible? You have to discuss these 2 points in this worksheet. You may say that I see the object. आप क्या जानते हैं अभी तक? That I see the object. But can you see an object in the dark? क्या किसी डार्क प्लेस पर आप ऑब्जेक्ट्स को देख सकते हैं बच्चों? No, you can't see an object in totally dark room. It means that eyes alone can't see any object. It is only when light from an object that enters our eyes, we see the object. So, for seeing the object, eyes as well as light is also responsible. The light may have been emitted by the objects. It may be emitted or it may have been reflected by it. किसी ऑब्जेक्ट से लाइट इमिट हो सकती है, लाइट इमिटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट, और लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट हो सकती है बाय द सरफेस ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. अ मिरर चेंजेस द डायरेक्शन ऑफ लाइट दैट फॉल्स ऑन इट. मिरर क्या कर सकता है? इट कैन चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. Can you tell in which direction the light falling on a surface will be reflected? No. For explaining this, we will do an activity. In this activity, you have to fix a white sheet of paper on drawing board or table. Take comb and close all the opening except one in the middle. You can use a strip of black paper for this purpose in place of comb. Hold the comb perpendicular to the sheet of paper. Throw light from the torch through this opening or through the opening of the comb from one side. With the slight adjustment of the torch and the comb, you will see a ray of light along the paper on the other side of the comb. Keep the comb and torch steady. Place the strip of plain mirror in path of the light ray. What happens? What do you observe? After striking the mirror, the ray of light is reflected in another direction. It means mirror can change the direction of light. This one is plain mirror, and this light ray is falling on the mirror, and after reflection it is going in the another direction. So you know that direction of light can be changed by the mirror. Now we will discuss these points. First one is incident ray. What do you mean by incident ray? The light ray which strikes any surface. जो लाइट रे किसी सरफेस को स्ट्राइक करती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंसिडेंट रे. रिफ्लेक्टेड रे क्या होती है बच्चों? द रे विच कम बैक फ्रॉम द surface after reflection. So in this picture, this ray is incident ray and this ray is reflected ray. After striking the mirror, it get changed the direction. Normal, the line making an angle of 90 degree with the object surface at the point where the incident ray strike the mirror is known as the normal. जिस पॉइंट पर इंसिडेंट रे मिरर को स्ट्राइक करती है उस पॉइंट पर if we draw a line which make 90 degree with the edge of the with the surface of the mirror, that line is called normal. This angle will be of 90 degree. Angle of incident, the angle between the normal and the incident ray. This angle is called angle of incidence and denoted by small I. What is angle of reflection? Angle of reflection is angle between the normal and reflected ray. This one is reflected ray, so angle between the normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection, and it is denoted by small r. Now check yourself. Your first question is, suppose you are in dark room. Can you see the object in the room? Can you see objects outside the room? Explain. You have to explain both the situation. First one is, if you are in the dark room, can you see the objects? No, we can't see the object because there is no light, or without light we can't see any object. Second, can you see objects outside the room? Yes, we can see object outside the room because outside the room light is present. When light from an object that enters our eyes, we can see the object. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, what would happen if you threw a light on the mirror along its normal? अगर कोई लाइट रे इस नॉर्मल पर फॉल हो रही है, then what would happen? So what would happen, children? If a ray falls normally or ray falls on normal, then it reflects back along the same direction and angle of reflection will be 0. क्या होगा बच्चों? Ray will be reflect back along the same direction. It means on this direction. In this direction, light will be reflected back in the same path, in the same direction, on the same path. Question number 3. Label the given diagram of reflection of light. You have to label this diagram. Label diagram is given to you in this picture, in this diagram. So you can easily label this diagram. This one is reflected ray. Arrow is showing this one is reflected ray and this one is incident ray. This angle is angle of incidence and denoted by I, and this angle is angle of reflection. It is denoted by small r, and this one is mirror or plane mirror, you can write. Next question is, what is reflection of light? तो बच्चों reflection of light क्या होता है? Reflection of light is a phenomena of bouncing back of the rays of light when they fall on an object. जब किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पर रे ऑफ लाइट गिरती हैं तो बाउंसिंग बैक ऑफ रे ऑफ लाइट इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्शन. So you can write, reflection is the phenomena of bouncing back of the rays of light when they fall on an object. Question number 5. Can we see an object if an incident ray of light that strikes its surface is not reflected back? Why? If incident ray of light that strikes its surface is not reflected back, we can't see the object because we can only see the object when after the reflection the rays enter to our eyes. Thanks for watching.